Hi Form 5 student, good morning. So today we will start a new chapter, chapter 10, permutation and combination, okay? So the whole chapter only got 3 sessions, 10.1, the basic principle of counting, 10.2, permutation, 10.3, combination. So these two topics are very important, okay? So we will spend more time on 10.2 and 3. So 10.1, just some basic principle before you're learning about the permutation and combination. So now let's start, okay? 10.1. So basic principle of counting, we have 2 methods to do the counting. One is the additional rule. Second is the multiplication rule, okay? So let's start with the additional rule first. Additional rule is that counting how many ways you can count one of the event, okay? So for example, here, if a language course, if a center will have to provide a language course, and then we have 2 German course, 4 Spanish course, 3 French course. So actually, how many course that you can learn, okay? So numbers of the course, okay? So it will be total 2 plus 4 plus 3 equal to 9. So that's mean additional, okay? We adding together, we know that total have 9 courses. So this is very easy to identify. If you got a starting point, okay, then just one way to go to the final point. So we were using the additional rule, okay, just one way to go to the final destination. So take a look of the example first here. So quick practice 10.1. If a restaurant serve 4 types of the rice, 6 types of the noodle, 3 types of the congee. So one person, when you go in, definitely we will only order one main course, right? Either rice, noodle, or congee. You won't order all of them. So they are asking you how many choice you will have. So just what you will do is when you go in, eat, then go out. Okay, you will only order one item. Okay, so this one item from starting point to the ending point, we will using the addition rule. Okay, it's just adding together. So what we will do is 4 plus 6 plus 3. That's it. So total will be 13. Okay, how many choice? We have 13 choice. Okay, so now take a look at another one, 10.2. So in a group, there are 20 students taking econ. So they told you that, okay, here we got 20 students, okay, who were taking econ course, right? And 12 students are taking chemistry. That's mean in the econ class, you have 20 students. In the chemistry class, you have 12 students. But 8 of them taking both econ and chemistry. Okay, what does it mean? It means that in the econ class, actually, 8 of them also studying chem. They are econ plus chem student elective. And then remaining 12 of them only studying econ, right? Then here also, okay, 8 of them were studying chem and econ, both subject. Then 12 minus 8, you will have 4. That means only 4 of them, only one elective is chem. That's it. Now the question asking you, please help me to find out the total number of the students taking econ or chemistry. Okay, so some of the students may think that, oh, total number 20 plus 12, 32. Sorry, it will be wrong because you double count the student. Okay, those 8 students, they will join the econ class. They also join the chemistry class. Actually, here only 8 students, not 16 students, remember. So how can we find out the total number? It will be, you have 2 ways to do it, okay? So it can be 8 plus 12 plus 4, okay? So the total answer of it will be 24. This one, or how can you do it? It's 20 plus 12, then minus the 8. Because this 8 student also in here. So that means you double count those 8 students. So we need to minus one of the 8, okay? So the answer will be also 24. This is we call addition rule, okay? So just adding each one of the data. Okay, that's it. Now take a look of the multiplication rule, okay, where we need to use the multiplication, okay? So multiplication rule actually very easy to separate with the addition is that you are not just one way to go to the final destination. You have in between them, you got some step, okay? So for example, we got a starting point, okay? But you are not just directly go to the final destination. You need to passing to the step checkpoint 1, checkpoint 2, then go to the final destination. If you go to some station, okay, you need to use the multiple, okay? So for example, like here, if you got 3 shirts and 2 pair of the shorts, and then you want to pair up them, okay, you want to pair up them to go out, okay, right? So how can you pair up? You can choose the right one, okay, pair with the blue short or black one, okay? So just one white shirt, you already have 2 choice, right? Then yellow one, you have 2 choice, green one, you have 2 choice, so total you have 6. So how can we come up the 6? Actually, just 3 of the shirt times 2 of the shorts, okay? So you have the 6. So this is how can we use the multiplication. Now take a look of the example, okay? So here, also you go in the restaurant, want to order things, but now this is not a rice congee, okay? Because you are not just order one item, you will order few item, okay? So John want to order a main course. That means you want to choose one of them, okay? When you go in, okay, you will choose the main course first, okay? When you have the main course, then you will go to the second step, you want to order a drink. Then go to the last one, you want to order a dessert, okay? So you have 4 choice of the main course. So that means you can choose either one of them. Then 2 choice of the drink and 3 choice of the desserts. So now the question asking you how many different choice. So remember, because you need to choose 4 of the main course first, then go to the drink, then go to the dessert. So because you are not directly one way go to the final answer, you have the stop point, right? So you need to using times symbol, okay? So total we have 24 choice. Don't forget to answer the question, okay? There are 24 choice, okay? That's it. So easy, right? So remember, how can you separate the additional rule and multiplication rule? Easy. To identify whether it's one way go to the final destination or you have few stop point, okay? That's it. Thank you.